Hey there, welcome to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to give you the lowdown on what went down in the markets yesterday. So, let's dive right in. Nvidia, the AI powerhouse, reported its second quarter earnings after the bell yesterday, and let me tell you, they absolutely knocked it out of the park. The company reported earnings per share of 68 cents on a whopping $30 billion in revenue. To put that in perspective, Wall Street was expecting 64 cents per share on $28.8 billion in revenue. Compared to last year's numbers, 27 cents per share on $13.5 billion in revenue, this is a massive leap. Now, the big headline here isn't just the earnings themselves, but also Nvidia's guidance for the next quarter. They're projecting revenue of $32.5 billion, plus or minus 2%. While analysts were predicting $31.9 billion. So, they're clearly expecting to keep that momentum going. But here's the twist. Despite all that good news, Nvidia's stock actually dropped about 7% after the announcement. So, what's going on? Well, a lot of that revenue came from their data center business, which raked in $26.3 billion, smashing Wall Street's expectations of $25 billion. Even with these stellar results, it seems like investors might be feeling a bit cautious, possibly because the expectations were already sky high. Let's not forget, Nvidia is the undisputed leader in AI chip design and software, holding a commanding 80% to 95% of the market according to experts. And with their next-gen Blackwell chips on the horizon, they're likely to maintain that lead. But the competition isn't sitting still. Earlier this month, AMD announced a $4.9 billion deal to acquire ZT Systems, a move aimed at beefing up their AI system server game, a space where Nvidia has been crushing it. Still, while this might give AMD a little boost, it doesn't look like Nvidia's crown is in any real danger. One expert put it this way: there are emerging competitors like AMD that are starting to take a little bit of market share, but when you look at the overall infrastructure spend cycle, Nvidia is still the best positioned to benefit from it. Well, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll be back tomorrow with all the latest market updates. Thanks for tuning in.